The tractor loan is given for purchase of new tractors as well as sometimes refurbished tractors also, but selective basis only these second hand tractors can be financed, but mainly first hand tractors only to be financed. The tractors and implement also you can finance under this scheme. The banker has to finance those models of the tractors which are successful in commercial test from certified agencies approved by the central government. Here minimum acreage for 35 HP tractor, it is 4 acres perennially irrigated land, and if they want more than 35 HP they should have at least 6 acres perennial irrigated land, and then repayment as usual 9 years, and DSCR it is 1.75. DSCR means debt service coverage ratio. It is used for repayment of installments, whether the borrower is able to generate the income which is sufficient for repayment of installment as well as for his consumption purpose. Repayment you can fix off yearly as well as yearly. The security is hypothecation of tractor and other implements, and equitable mortgage of land as a collateral security. While financing tractors, the banker has to see at least 600 hours working hours should be there per annum for the farmer. The farmers who are having good high worthiness and having sufficient experience, financing combined harvester also can be looked by the bankers. Here, while financing combined harvester, you should have at least minimum 8 acres of irrigated land, and also at least you should run the combined harvester for 1000 hours, and DSCR to be calculated as 1.75, and repayment period will be 9 years. The security is hypothecation of machinery as a primary security, and collateral security equitable mortgage of agricultural lands or other acceptable collateral security. Margin is 15 to 25%, and if farmers are not having sufficient acreage, the combined harvester also can be financed if they provide some liquid security like gold, etc. Please see, these are the implements and machines we can use. For stage 1, preparatory cultivation, power tiller, tractor and plows, and seeds and sowing, seed drills and planter, then manures and manuring, fertigation tank, drip irrigation, and after cultivation, duster, sprayer, weeder, and harvesting, combine harvester, thresher, etc. Financing of power tillers also can be considered to small farmers who are having around 2 acres of perennial irrigated land. Here DSCR as usual 1.75, and repayment will be 9 years. Margin will be around 10%. Let us see a small scoring model for financing tractor. Here, depending upon their social status, percentage of income, and type of crop, cropping pattern, availability of irrigation water, age of the tractor, some scores will be given like this, you see. previous experience of the owning a tractor, hiring potential, and financial securities, non-financial collateral as percentage of loan amount. All these things we have to give marks like this. Here number of guarantors and whether guarantors are available and expected annual income, a scoring. If it is more than 4 lakh, 14 score, like that we have to give. So proposal marks 56 and above are good, and proposals 26 above and up to 55 may be considered after referring next hiring authority, and proposals with credit score of 25 and below should not be considered. The scoring model differs from bank to bank, or some banks they may not use the scoring model also, they can directly finance to the farmer. It is at the discretion of the banks. This is the memorandum for tractor finance. You can note down afterwards. All these things, please see it. Here appraisal you have to calculate like this, and then recommendation of the appraisal officer. All these things we have to do in respect of the tractor loan. This tractor runs on steam.